What's up, sexy ladies and sexy gentlemen? I am here with Vivek Singhi, the best mentalist, and he also performed at India's Got Talent, right? And blow the minds of the judges. Now here what we're going to talk about is his new releases, his new magic products. So what we're going to talk about is Blank Wave. Yeah. If the camera can focus, great. So please tell me about this, and please the viewers also as well.
So I call it as the ultimate prediction with a kicker ending.
Okay.
So rather than telling what the product is, why not show it?
All right, without revealing it too much.
I'll just perform for you.
Yeah. We have to save it from Buggles, from the ads.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm going to perform this for you.
Okay.
So I was traveling to London. You get this Oyster wallet.
Okay.
Inside which you have the Oyster card, the traveling card. What I did was, I had this feeling, I'm going to meet a sexy guy in front of me today. And I kept 4 queens inside this. You can see there are 4 cards, 4 queens. Hold this.
Alright.
Any queen that you deal, the clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. Okay. I've turned the queen upside down inside this wallet. Okay. It's been almost a year since I traveled to London. Okay. So it's inside this wallet for a year.
Okay.
Any queen that you want is the only card that is facing the other direction. Now as a cliche, you might think, oh, most people say Queen of Hearts. So I'm telling you, if you don't want to choose Queen of Hearts, it's absolutely fine. Any queen that you want, and it's 100% guarantee, works 100% every time, foolproof.
Okay.
Whichever queen you choose will be the only queen facing the other direction.
Got it. So
Cards are in your hands, right? Not mine. Name any queen.
Queen of Spades.
Queen of Spades?
Queen of Spades.
The Queen of Spades was this. And I'll tell you one very important thing. People know I'm very good with sleight of hand.
Alright.
But in this case, I can't do any sleight of hand. Reason being, when I turn the card over, you realize that except the Queen of Spades, all cards are blank. It's only one Queen of Spades.
It's crazy.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah. How does it work on girls, on women?
It's very easy.
Okay. What's the effect on this on women? Do they get crazy, all sort of things?
I think for me, whether it's a woman or a man, everyone feels it's crazy.
Okay.
Because I'm married. But what's this?
Yeah.
If I just take this, everything you saw till now was not real.
Okay.
What's this? If I just show you the cards, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There was no queen to begin with. And I'll tell you one more thing, very important thing. What's this? So if I just take the cards, and I showed you that all 4 cards are blank.
Okay.
I'll turn them over if you feel like if something is upside down, it's not. Remember I told you it was all an illusion? From the start, whatever I said was never true. I said I had 4 cards, 1 queen was third, India opposite direction. But in reality, if you see this, I had only 1, 2, and 3 cards to begin with. I never had a 4th card.
Damn. Oh damn. And it's completely exact. Butterfingers.
Want me to hand it over to you again?
No, I'm just speechless. I'm speechless.
So if
It's
people
completely brain farting, you know.
So if you need to know without revealing what this is all about, irrespective of whichever queen they pick, it will work with 100% accuracy every time.
Okay.
That's one. If you can't do sleight of hand, zero sleight of hand, you know nothing, you can do the first phase. You just spread the cards and you reveal the queen is turned in the opposite direction, the other 3 are face.
Multiple ways to do it. Great. Yeah, which is very good.
Yes.
Which is very, very good. Yeah. Because every individual is different. Every style of performance is different. Nice.
The other thing is, if you are decent with some basic sleight of hand, some basic card sleights, you can do the next phase where you count the 4 cards immediately, and they all turn blank. And if you are comfortable with a bit higher, I can't reveal the moves.
Yeah, it's okay.
But if you can do that, which is also not very complicated, you can do the final phase. When you say you had only 3 cards to play.
So when you were going to release this, that will be everything what you just explained will be in the tutorial, right?
Yes.
So
The
it's
tutorial
easy.
is already ready.
Good, that's good then. So it is easy to do, easy to perform, and it works with everyone, and it gets ultimate compliments, right?
Yes.
And I've seen you perform on Shilpa Shetty.
Yes.
India's Got Talent, right? So there's the proof, guys. There's the proof. What else you need? What else you need?
I think what they need is to see this once again.
Yeah, sure.
You have 3 cards, right? Mm-hmm. Turn them over. Okay. This is what I was explaining by minimal sleight of hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Back to full.
You get some idea.
Turns to
If you
full.
know what this move, you'll know what I'm trying to say. Awesome.
Okay. It's very cool. Very cool. Very cool, man. Love it. Once again, this effect is called
Blank wave.
Blank Wave by Vivek Singh. You'll get the details down below when and where it will be available. Please kindly tell us.
Hi, Vivek Singhi here. I'm going to be releasing Blank Wave in December. You'll come to know about this very soon, and if you love this effect, you can purchase it from my website, and I appreciate the support. Thank you so much.